Errors in Path of Exile 2, PoE 2 can be frustrating. Here are some common issues and their potential solutions. 1. Could not overwrite executable error. This error may prevent the game from launching. To resolve it, check for a file named client.tmp. Navigate to your PoE 2 installation directory. Locate the file named client.tmp. Rename and replace files. Delete the existing client.exe file. Rename client.tmp to client.exe. This method has been reported to solve the issue. Site turns or search. 2. Failed to join any instances error. This error often occurs due to server congestion. Possible solutions include change display mode. At the login screen, switch from full screen to windowed full screen mode. Log in again to see if the issue persists. Some players have found this workaround effective. One site turn search 1. 3. An unexpected disconnection occurred. Error. This error can disrupt gameplay, especially when entering portals. To address it, restart the game and your PC. Close PoE 2 and reboot your computer. Launch the game again to check for improvements. Switch servers. At the login screen, select a different server from the top right corner. Attempt to log in to see if the connection stabilizes. These steps may help mitigate the issue. Site turn search. 4. Game crashes. If PoE 2 crashes during gameplay, consider the following. Check server status. Ensure that PoE 2 servers are operational. Server-related errors can cause crashes. Update graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to instability. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. Verify game files. Use the game launcher or platform, e.g. Steam, to verify the integrity of game files. Corrupted files can cause crashes.